Hello and welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change region on Netflix. As we all know, Netflix doesn't show all of the shows and movies to all countries and region. It provides the library of shows and movies depending on your region. Now, if you want to watch movies that is not available on your country or region, then you have to change your region. Now to change, you don't have option or settings within the app, so you need to download the VPN on your device and then open up the VPN. Now for this video, I'm gonna connect United States. Now once your connection gets secured, go back and open up the Netflix app. Now there you can search for that specific TV show or movie that you want to watch. Now to watch that specific movie, tap on magnifying glass at the top and there search for that movie or TV show. The top searches is depend on the country your VPN has been connected or the region you are in, and that's how easily and quickly you can change region on Netflix. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.